Hello, today I just wanted to talk about real quick how to use the shell command. I know I talk about it in another video with shell and loft, but today I just wanted to talk about shell specifically. So what I did here is I created just a basic revolve, and I'll show you the sketch. I used revolve to create this basic shape of what's going to become a cup. And then I did another sketch where I used revolve and I used remove, and I took out this little groove. Okay, so to use shell, you don't need any kind of sketch. All you have to do is go up to shell, select where the opening is going to be for your object. So what this does is this will basically take a solid object, so what we have here, and it'll hollow it out. And this will, wherever you click is where it'll do an opening. So for instance, if I click up here, see it creates an opening and it hollows out that. But if I click on the bottom, see, that becomes the opening, and then what we had before is the top becomes the bottom. Okay. So I'll go back and flip it around. And, oh, my mistake, I accidentally made a second shell. There we go. And I'll click on the top here. And now I've hollowed it out. And I'm going to make this 0.5. So this number determines the thickness of the wall. So if I click here in the white space, you can see a preview. See, it makes the wall thicker. Okay, so that's what this measurement is. So I'll create it here. Now you'll notice when it created the shell, because I had this cutout done, it also goes around that cutout. Okay, that's the great part about shell, is it'll hollow it out, but it'll also hollow it out following a pattern. Now, this can also impact the order in which you do things. So I can actually change the order over here on the other side of my screen. So if I move my shell above where I did the revolve cutout, you'll notice now it's smooth. So it's smooth all the way down, but the cutout is there. So basically this part of the cup is just thinner. Okay, so just be aware of the order you do things. And you can rearrange like I just did to a certain extent. Sometimes you may have to delete a command and do it over. But yeah, so that's how you use the shell command. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.